Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today how to make the most beautiful, decadent, delicious 3 Michelin star potatoes you've ever had. What you want to do is start out with some nice Yukon Gold. You could use russet, but these just come out so much creamier. So definitely get yourself some good organic Yukon Gold potatoes. What we're going to do is we're going to leave the skin on these. This is about 3 pounds of potatoes. So we're going to take all your potatoes, put them in a pot with cold water. Cold water is very important. You definitely do not want to have your water hot. This isn't like cooking pasta. If you put it in hot water that was already boiling or semi-hot, you're going to have an outside of the potato that's going to be already cooked and then the inside is going to be raw, right? So definitely start out with cold water all times whenever you're cooking potatoes. We'll take our potatoes in cold water, then we'll add some salt. The reason why we leave the skins on the potatoes, we're trying to protect the inside, right? We don't want to get a lot of water on the very inside because we're going to introduce just a little bit of cream. I'm going to add some Creme Fraiche at the very end. And then also we're going to add a ton of butter. So if you're on a diet, this is probably not the best recipe for you. You want to cook these just until they're cooked through. Just go ahead and pierce it with a knife. When they're cooked all the way through, then we'll go ahead and pull them off. And I'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, so we got our potatoes ready here. We'll go ahead and drain those out. Be very careful. All right, so we got our potatoes out. What I like to do, if they're super hot like they are now, you can just take a pair of gloves and another pair of gloves. And this will just help kind of insulate you from some of the heat. So we'll just go ahead and take our knife and just start to peel these guys. Don't burn yourself. If it's too hot, just do what you can do. Go ahead and put our pan on super low, and then this will just help kind of dry them out a little bit more. We'll pick one of these up on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You don't need to press too many through at once either. Just take your time with it. All right, so we got this on low heat. Now we want to add just enough heavy cream or milk just to make these pliable. So that was about maybe 1/3 cup of heavy cream and milk. So we got our Tammy here. Get yourself one of these little plastic bench scraper, and then we're just going to put our potatoes through just like that. As you can see, we just get all that beautiful fluffy potato from out from under there. So lastly, guys, we're going to add our butter. So this is about, I don't know, let's say 1.5 cups of butter. Like I said, if you're on a diet, probably not the best recipe for you. Or if you are, just enjoy it once in a while. You know, couple times a year or every couple months. We're going to put the potatoes here on super low. Guys, I also wanted to add a nice dollop of black truffle butter. This just gives it a nice earthy flavor. This actually has chunks of truffle in it. Super delicious. Making these all light and fluffy. Lastly, we want to add some of our homemade creme fraiche. I made a video on this. Be sure to check it out. Super easy. Just heavy cream, buttermilk, let it sit out. And the buttermilk will naturally culture the heavy cream and thicken it. 3 Michelin star potatoes right there. Now, if you need to keep these warm for service, if you're gonna serve them a little bit later, just go ahead and put them in a container and then put that container inside of a pot like this, filled up with water, and just leave it on a low simmer and it'll keep it nice and warm for you. Last taste. Guys, those potatoes are ridiculous. So good. Now, to finish off these potatoes, if you're gonna get this served in a restaurant, this is how we would serve it. Just kind of smooth it on out. Took all that time to make these beautiful potatoes, so you want to present it to your guests in the nicest way possible, right? Now, once we have our flat surface, we can just make our little indentation. Just like so. And there we have our beautiful 3 Michelin star potatoes. Look how gorgeous those are. Michelin star truffle with creme fraiche potatoes. Absolutely divine. You will never make normal mashed potatoes again. I guarantee you. It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, but I guarantee you, you will love them. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.